I'm really, really bored. Maybe I'll go see what Maddie's doing. Yeah, I'll do that. Hey, Maddie. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you... Maddie! Yeah? Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm bored. Do you want to do something? Yeah, sure. What do you want to do? Do you want to make Christmas cookies? All right, sure. All right, come down. All right, I'm coming. All right. Okay, so how exactly do we make Christmas cookies? I don't know. I'll look up a recipe. Okay. Now, you go get a tablecloth for the table and, remove the chairs, and I'll get a recipe. Cool. All right. That's a good recipe. And got the tablecloth. Great. I found a recipe. I found this recipe. Great, what do we need? Flour, sugar, brown sugar, water, eggs, stuff like that, milk and stuff. We can do